Hey, it's Alex again. And as you can see, this is my gaming and productivity setup. And sometimes when I'm playing video games or editing videos without using my headset, the sound can travel outside of the room, and that's pretty annoying. So that's why when a vendor contacted me to send me these fantastic and super big acoustic panels, I had to say yes. And I'm gonna do a quick installation for you guys for sure, and we're gonna try them together. But the thing is, I have a few things to tell you about this product, so let's dive in right now. But what I really like about this is it comes with an easy to peel and ready to peel out of the box features that this is gonna stick to your wall, and that's all you need to do. No drilling, no nailing, nothing, and that's super awesome. Another thing that I like about this is the size and the design. Size-wise, these are 12 by 12, square shaped, but the design, how can I say this? Not only that you can have a really out of the box design, but also you can get creative and you can cut this by the line. So you can create your own shape, and that's fantastic. And in terms of quality, you can tell that these are super thick and dense, and these are made of a material that's gonna absorb all your sound and it's not gonna create any echo. So that's a really good plus as well. Last but not least, I have a few options here, but this also comes in another two more colors and in packs of 12, 18, and 22. So that's huge. So now I'm gonna move all my desk and my sword and some of the other stuff, and I'm gonna create an acoustic panel for absorbing the sound that comes from my speakers that are below my monitor. So let's do it. So what do you think? I think it changed it drastically, and I love it. And actually, the good thing about this is I was listening to music when I was doing it. I actually noticed how the bass was changing, the treble was changing, like the whole room sound was changing. So I love that. Taking a closer look, I think this is fantastic. I love the aesthetics out of it and how it looks, but also that it helps to capture the sound and absorb the sound, and that's what I wanted. So I think this is pretty awesome, guys. So I think this is actually pretty good. I really like these panels. My thumbs up for them. And I hope you like my review, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.